Here I have Huawei P30 and let me show you how to enable and change these screen notifications. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select notifications. They are just under the sounds. And now go to lock screen notifications. Here you can select if you would like to see your notification once your screen is locked. If you would like to show them, do not show them, but show, but hide content. So you can select whichever option you prefer. And then if you will go to more notification settings, you can activate notification turn on screen. So if you will enable it, your screen will be turned on once you receive any notification. So actually that's up to you, but it's definitely worth using because you will not miss any notification or alert. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.